Hey everyone, ever feel stuck staring at a blank page? In this video, we'll dive into HyperWrite, an writing assistant that can help you with everything from content creation to research and even writing emails. HyperWrite offers a variety of tools to supercharge your writing process. Their flexible auto-write is their most popular feature, where you can use AI to help you write anything you can imagine. Feeling bogged down by a long article? Use the summarizer to quickly grasp the main points. Need to explain a complex topic in a simple way? HyperWrite's Explain Like I'm 5 tool can help you break it down. Struggling to rephrase a sentence? The Rewrite Content tool can help you find fresh ways to say the same thing. Need a quick email response? The email responder can craft a well-written reply based on just a short message from you. But HyperWrite goes beyond basic writing assistance. The Magic Editor can improve the clarity, tone, and style of your existing text. Need a speech written? HyperWrite's AI Speechwriter can generate one using just an outline or description. If you're a student or researcher, you'll love Scholar AI. This tool can find peer-reviewed articles to support your writing needs. HyperWrite even offers a Chrome extension that brings the power of AI to any website you visit. Whether you're a student, freelancer, academic, or business owner, HyperWrite has something to offer. They have flexible pricing plans to fit your needs, and even offer a free trial. So if you're looking to overcome writer's block, improve your communication, or simply get more done, then HyperWrite is definitely worth checking out. And for those of you who want to explore more AI-powered tools, be sure to visit our site. We've collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to HyperWrite.